I am going to show you how to create a drip effect in Canva. You open your blank presentation, then you go to Elements, search for drip effects. By the way, I'm using a free version of Canva, so you can do this on the free. Then you search for a square or rectangular shape. I'm changing the color of mine first to purple. Then after that, I'm just going to size them out. So after sizing it out, I'm going to send back. So send to the back. Then change the purple color to yellow. Then change the black drip effect to white. Then I can just size it out and just put it the way I want it to look like. So this is my final result. Yeah, it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.